Alright, so I'm back with a new video. So this is an old wash and go week and a half, and this is how I revitalize it. So if you guys are still interested, keep watching. Alright, like always, I section my hair. This makes it so much easier. When you section your hair, it's easier to comb through, you're less manipulating, you're not breaking your hair off, and you're not pulling your hair. Once I section my hair, I always start from the back part. So my first step is apply water. My hair is dry, so your number one moisturizer, hydrator is water. Apply some water to your hair, just dampening it enough to loosen up those curls. Then I'm going to apply my leave-in. So my choice is TGIN Leave-In. And I'm going to finger detangle my way through, making sure it's spread throughout all my strands. And once I finger detangle, I'm going to add some oil just to seal it in a little. So I have my Tropic Island Living Aloe Vera Castor Oil. And I'm just going to apply it mostly to my ends because my ends are the driest and the oldest. Then I'm going to apply some mousse just to define those curls just a little bit more, and detangling as I go. After I completed the back part, I just added some clips. I just decided to do that. Never done it before. Just to stretch it real quick because this is a quick do, like restoration when it comes to dry hair and curls. And then I do the same for the top section. So the reason why I'm detangling throughout this process is because first, detangling your hair with your fingers are probably the best because you're not really pulling your hair, you're carefully going through it, making sure you're getting all the knots out and it's not snagging or anything like that as if a brush or a comb would have. So you're basically taking great or better care of your hair while finger detangling than anything else. Now you see, once I did that, I'm going to unclip it and show you the difference and just finger detangling, adding a little bit more moisture. You can see that my curls are a little popping, and then the other one is just dry and just old. And this is my results. So if you guys are interested, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time.